Welcome to 1 Million Sub. In this video, we have compiled a list of 20 YouTube channels dedicated to learning about architecture. Whether you're interested in architecture, a student in the field, or working in the industry, these channels will be incredibly helpful. They provide a wealth of information on the subject and can assist you in various ways. Also, if you're curious about any of the channels we mention in this video, you can find the links to all of them in the description below. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into the video, starting at number 15, Business of Architecture. Channel has over 35,000 subscribers and over 720 videos. Number 14, Arch Daily. Channel has over 160,000 subscribers and over 1,000 videos. Number 13, UH Studio Design Academy. Channel has over 25,000 subscribers and over 170 videos. Number 12, Classicist ORG channel has over 19,000 subscribers and over 125 videos. Number 11, Kyle Cinco. Channel has over 85,000 subscribers and over 285 videos. Number 10, Archie Hacks. Channel has over 75,000 subscribers and over 90 videos. Number 9, Roberts Architecture. Channel has over 36,000 subscribers and over 30 videos. Number 8, Surviving Architecture. Channel has over 260,000 subscribers and over 170 videos. Number 7, Balkan Architect. Channel has over 540,000 subscribers and over 980 videos. Number 6, Show It Better. Channel has over 320,000 subscribers and over 180 videos. Number 5, The Aesthetic City. Channel has over 65,000 subscribers and over 25 videos. Number 4, Upstairs. Channel has over 370,000 subscribers and over 120 videos. Number 3, Architecture Inspirations. Channel has over 310,000 subscribers, over 120 videos, and more than 18 million views. Number 2, Dammy Lee. Channel has over 790,000 subscribers, over 130 videos, and more than 47 million views. Before we continue, here are a couple of channels worth mentioning. Unraveling Architecture. Channel has over 46,000 subscribers and over 130 videos. The Modmin. Channel has over 140,000 subscribers and over 60 videos. How to Architect. Channel has over 210,000 subscribers and over 270 videos. Ancient Architects. Channel has over 530,000 subscribers and over 620 videos. Gemma Wheeler Architecture. Channel has over 35,000 subscribers. Number 1, Stuart Hicks. Channel has over 380,000 subscribers, over 100 videos, and more than 44 million views.
1 million sub. We'll help you find your new favorite content creators. Here are some of the most popular YouTube categories. Thanks for tuning in.